Hey guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and welcome to my laundry room. Today I'm going to show you how I wash my knee-high stockings and dry them without stretching them out. Let me know in the comments below how you wash yours. I don't know why hubby thinks this is so weird, but when he watches me do my stockings, he kind of gets a strange look on his face. I put them in a mesh bag and wash them. And when I take them out, I smack them. And then I hang them up on a hanger. They always come out nice and flat. When you've got an end like this, instead of unrolling, just smack it. And there they are. It comes out nice and flat. And it saves me a lot of time from having to unroll them. And I just hang them up by color. And I just hang them until they dry. When I hang my stockings to dry, they're on a padded hanger that I made. If you want to see how to make one of these, let me know in the comments below. Okay, now that my knee highs are dry, I just take two and I fold them in half, then I fold them in thirds. And then I take the outside one and put it over, and it makes a nice little pouch. Doesn't take up much room in the drawer. And I always have a pair to grab. And there's my almost 2 weeks worth of stockings, all in a nice little pile. And the bag is now empty and ready for the used ones. And there they are, all folded in little pouches that can be stacked in your drawer. And I'll insert a picture of how I have mine stacked. If you find this helpful, subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And give it a thumbs up. And happy creating, everyone.